In this video, I will show you how you can email a text message on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. So let's get started. Now to do that, first of all, just open the messaging app on your iPhone, and from here just open the selected contact. After that, just tap and hold on the text message which you want to email, then tap on copy. And after you do that, you will copy the text message from the Messages app. And after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open your preferred mail app. You can use Gmail if you want, but in today's video, I will select the mail app. Now just tap on the compose button over here. Now in this section, just enter the email of the person to which you want to send the text message as an email, just like that. Now after you enter the email address, now in the subject section, just create a subject of your email. Now after you create the subject of your email, now in the body of the email, just tap on the start of the body so the cursor can move in this section. Now just tap on the cursor one more time and the option of paste will appear on the screen. Now just tap on paste and you will paste the text message which we have copied earlier. Now after you do that, then just tap on send to send the email. Just like that. And as you can see, this is how you can email any text message on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.